Good evening, friends. Welcome to MS Tech, the DevOps channel. And today we are going to talk about the variables, the world of variables and the operators. You will learn about the variables and the operators and how to name and declare them and the common operations that we can perform on them. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to talk about is what are the variables? So the variables are the name given to data that we need to store and manipulate in our programs. So in simple, the variables are the names, the simple names. So that were given to data name. So here we can just define the variables are names given to data so that we need to store and manipulate in our program. So suppose your program needs to store the age of a user. So to do that, we can name this the data a user age and define the variable user age using this statement like user age. So this is the variable name equal to this is the statement we are defining here, like what is the age of the user. So this is a name and this is a age we have defined. So after you define the variable, your program will allocate a certain area of your computer storage space to store this data. So you can then access and modify this data by referring it by its name. And every time you declare a new variable, this, and you need to give it an initial value, and we give it a value like here we have given 10, and we can always change this value in our program later. So we can also define a multiple variables. So this is called multiple variables. So how we do that is like so let's say I want to give like user age, then I also want to define user name. I put equal to, so what is my user age is let's say 30, and the name is Peter. So this is equivalent to user age equal to 30, user name equal to Peter. So this is how we can define a multiple variable at one. So and let's talk about the naming of variables. So a variable name in Python can only contains letters. So example A to Z, or A, capital A hyphen B, like a capital. Or we can use numbers or underscore. But however, like you cannot use the number. It means like the first character cannot be a number. So first character cannot be a number. Hence, you can name your variable like a user name or user underscore name or user name 2, but cannot give starting with the number like 2 user name. No, you cannot use that.